In this video, I show you how to fix call continue with camera app problem on Instagram. For solving this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Instagram, tap on Instagram, tap on force stop, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear cache, scroll down, find out picture in picture. Now enable it, allow picture in picture. Now tap on permission, allow all permission one by one. Now open Instagram app. Now call someone. Now I hope that this method fix continue with Instagram or Instagram video call camera off problem.